Bike switched up, he better flick. No do the bag a lick, no chatty na give put. Chatty na door. Money no for than Bagnovich. I mean no son savage when no give no chance. But that's sending no.
Why can't ball create? Me like how Alkaline approach the rhythm. You see Alkaline, this youth seems like Alkaline seems to be the type of person to me where Alkaline just sit down every day and I premeditate the music and I try to understand the music to the highest level possible. And I like that. And I like the growth and I like the work. I see you mature and become a different person. And even all of the controversy and all of the hate and the fight and everything what them I bring towards the youth, I'm just stand up tall.
Yo. This is it. It's showtime.
Big up Money than the review god. Some man say them a review king, but my review queen. You know see how them review lean.
Work your ball cream. Tell Craftman say we full of techniques. Make him feel like same good and then viewers and subscribers, welcome to Malidan TV. I don't know, it's your boy Malina Folly, aka the review god. What's a king to a god? Me enough for them I say them a review king. A review queen them. I don't know what them are do. Viewers and subscribers, I don't know what is I'm gonna step out from Alkaline announce the album date. It's my first video from the album date release. Cause we just kick back and observe and go and pre the thing. You know what I mean? But I don't know. Mali done half a forward cause we represent for the vendetta and the gully side with no doubt. I wanna hide and say we talk loud. I wanna swing from side to side. At one side. Any other side a landslide. Vendetta gully side. That's how we do. See? But you don't know viewers and subscribers, you know Alkaline full up a whole heap of surprises, whole heap of craft, whole heap of things where you don't expect from him at times. And when you see Alkaline do some things more while in the media, you have to say, the youth did have these things planned. Alkaline had these things on his mind, like what a surprise. But guess what go on? I'm deep on the road. And it's like one of the real youth them are big up and respect Malidan TV, respect the channel, respect the movement. I see the dog send me a DM on the IG, I'm going to go and click. Which I don't even remember the general name, but you know yourself and you watch the review, you big up yourself, Madan. You know the thing go. Yeah. And the dog I say, Malidan, watch a prayer. So I'm going to go boom and click on it. And I look at Alkaline, I see a perform Ocean Wave live and Cree live. And it's a live guitar medley. This is something different. There's not a lot of dancehall artists who have done things like these in the past. So Alkaline is really teaching the younger people that are coming up in dancehall now, meaning the younger artists them. So like, yo, youth, wanna just try to be different and try to be creative. And Alkaline take it to Audiomack and he performed Cree and Ocean Wave live guitar. And I feel like I just want to review it. And people did a question and I say, why Alkaline bring back Ocean Wave and Cree on his album? Top Price album, the new album I dropped May 14. They must say, why Alkaline bring back that two songs? And I'm like, I was even praying too and I'm like, you know, it's because these songs have so much impact, so much effect on the world and dancehall. At what Alkaline biggest songs this for 2020? Who agree? Put up on one. My hand gone up first. I agree. So Alkaline is stamping these songs in the world now because the album is gonna reach another level. So since the songs didn't go to that level, Alkaline is taking them with him once more. Like, listen, them bad song here. Them not done. And the man take it to Audiomack and perform. Don't get me wrong, you know. Cree and Ocean Wave full of views, you know. People talk about these songs, you know. I remember saying Cree, Alkaline use Cree and bust off some man. See him? And I said so man, they're not ashamed for talk who you them, and I hold on my mouth, you know. Vybz Kartel get bust in a Cree. And him name Craftman, tell Craftman so we're full of techniques. So it was good for me to see Alkaline take it to another platform to make his music be bigger and wider to the world, to like people that don't know who Alkaline is. You know what I mean? Because Audiomack is a big music streaming platform where people from all walks of life use that platform. So if you never know about Alkaline, No, you know because you're part of Audiomack. Where you come from? Japan, Germany, France, Europe? Where? No, you're African? Oh, no, you know about Alkaline because you watch Audiomack and you know use Spotify. So Alkaline does smart with all that movement. But you hear me? I go play some item, I go review it and make one of those touch a place and who forget blam, we just blam them. You not ready? We just do this.
That.
You like how the boss started? The boss just started off calm. The boss just a touch. And the rhythm they just take it time.
Later we. Audiomack. Young lad.
Man I say yo, touch, that way. And him big up Audiomack. And the man I say that way, you know. If I'm not that way, there's no other way. You have to say that way. See? Any other way, the wrong way you go. You have to choose that way. You can't take the next turn off. You have to continue on this journey. This stretch that you're on, this lane, this man. Yeah, dog, that way and no other way. Yeah, I like when the boss step out clean too. Alkaline just unique, he just different in everything what I'm doing. Styling, dressing, the flow, or the man deal with the bars, them everything. Yeah, you remember that I talk too much. Play some more song now.
Righteous. Why can't buy creed?
The boss has a righteous. Why can't ball creed? Me like how Alkaline approach the rhythm. You see Alkaline, this youth seems like Alkaline seems to be the type of person to me where Alkaline just sit down every day and I premeditate the music and I try to understand the music to the highest level possible. And I like that. And I like the growth and I like the work. I see you mature and become a different person. And even all of the controversy and all of the hate and the fight and everything what them are bring towards the youth, I'm just stand up. Tall. The man even grow taller. And you know Alkaline one of the tallest artists if I'm not ching ching. The man grow taller, dog. The man dep on a different level. Right now he come like Alkaline dep on the 12th floor. I look down upon them and look up. Yeah, like him upgrade, him change. Oh God, me can't wait for the album job. Hostage are my favorite, I'm not hear it yet, you know. Hold on now.
That craftsman so full of technique, make him feel like someone good and then alright.
Me like how Alkaline select Cree to do Cree and the live guitar medley. Because Cree is a song. Cree is a song that causes a lot of controversy and a whole heap of things in a dance hall. Because the man go say in a song, dog, War can't ball Cree, tell Craftman so we full of techniques. The man, this Vybz Kartel again. And me like how Alkaline select that song and took it to Audiomack, a different platform, and goes and touch Vybz Kartel upon it. Touch him, blam, blamming's no joke.
Show up at them night, cause we are clean. Enough of them say them a do it, but them not do it like we. On them know for what them hear about. Warrior
Alkaline a genius. Big up to all of the Vendetta fans them out there worldwide. The people who believe in other youth career. Because Alkaline career now have no stop. It now have no end. Only way Alkaline career end unless the breath left him body and the youth breath now left him body. He's going to be a long liver. He's a special gifted person on earth. Alkaline is the youth who is going to lead the next generation to victory with their music. I hope them sit down and I take a page out of this youth book. And you don't have to move like him, you know what I mean? But you can get some ideas on how to approach the business. You get what I say? And Alkaline has been teaching people worldwide, you know, in dancehall. Even me, a younger youth for me, but him teach me a lot. Because I stuck on Alkaline and sang them day in, day out. Because they're music that you can relate to if you know a real life. And if you're a person who used to fight, then you're going to say, yo, Alkaline are my artist. Because Alkaline get the most fight in a dancehall. If I'm not Alkaline, I'm over get the most fight in a dancehall. But look on the artists them still floating. Them still do great things. Alkaline I take the game to another level. Him just a get started. Him just a get the right movements and the right, you know what I mean, mind and the right focus. Alkaline is in the right place now. You know why I say that? Because he's in America where the market is for the music. and Alkaline is really putting in the work and doing some great things. Not because Alkaline is not a person who travel to Instagram very often and post everything what I do, like some other artists. Like I can use a youth name like Popcorn. He post everything. If he cook chicken back him and him bridging them, he have to show it. If them a drink liquor water, them have to post it. Alkaline not post nothing. Alkaline just drop some things in the media and it just surprise all of us who are fans of his music. You know what I mean? So big up to the people, man. Don't forget, the album I drop. The album I drop on the 14th of May. So now please go run up on Spotify right now. Audio Mac, all of them iTunes and pre-order. Me pre-order from when, you know? From the day when that link drop, me make sure me pre-order. And me pre-order more than one. Because we have more than one account. You see me? And if they're missing, then somebody have to give account. You get what I say? Yeah, man, I'm mad thing when they don't know represent for the Vendetta crew without a doubt. Big up to the Gully Side family. That way and no other way. Right now, if you're watching this review, right now, and you like the vibe and you represent Vendetta, if you say Gaza, or if you say Six, or if you say Genocide, you're not gonna like that channel. Because that channel is strictly Vendetta Gully. So if you're not from that side, and you represent the Vendetta or the Gully side, please hit the subscribe button right now. Also turn on the post notification, and also drop your comment. Let me know what you think about the album that's coming. And let me know what you guys think about this performance by Alkaline. You know what I mean? It was like a 4-minute performance. It was like a medley with both songs. Live guitar medley. It's on Audio Mac for the fans them out there. That's where you can go find it. Or just watch Malidan TV and watch the video. We see everything. I'm going to put in the clips them. So see you guys soon. I'm out. Vendetta for life. Any boy this, we take them wife.
Headshot stop the gap. Bust my gun and praise the Lord. Not tell me. Born a captain, you talk one of them. But not we on the flock. Man go circle pan them.